Reactive nodular fibrous pseudotumor of abdominal cavity, a non-neoplastic mimic of malignant mesenchymal tumors. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Reactive nodular fibrous pseudotumor (RNFP) is a recently described mesenchymal lesion arising from the gastrointestinal tract, mesentery, or retroperitoneum, which, although mimicking malignancy, is a non-neoplastic reactive process. It is a rare entity with only a few cases reported in literature so far, and is less aggressive when compared to other mesenchymal lesions such as gastrointestinal stromal tumor (GIST) or fibromatosis. It represents one spectrum of the heterogeneous group of abdominal mesenchymal tumors that pose a diagnostic dilemma to both the surgeons and the pathologists. Distinguishing between them is essential as their treatment and prognosis vary widely. Correct diagnosis is of paramount importance for proper treatment. Here, this study presents one such case in a 20-year-old female who presented with a huge abdominal mass. Contrast-enhanced computed tomography showed a well-defined heterogeneously enhancing soft tissue mass in the left retroperitoneum, probably arising from the pancreas. The radiological diagnosis was of a pseudopapillary tumor of the pancreas. The patient underwent exploratory laparotomy and excision of the mass in toto along with sleeve gastrectomy and splenectomy. However, post-operative histopathology was consistent with reactive nodular fibrous pseudotumor. The patient was followed up at 1, 6, and 12 months. After 1 year, the patient was asymptomatic with no evidence of recurrence of the tumor. This case illustrates the need for keeping RNFP in mind as a differential diagnosis in a case of a large abdominal mass, as it has a fairly good prognosis with no reported recurrence after surgical excision. Introduction. Reactive nodular fibrous pseudotumor, RNFP, is a rare condition where a mass in the abdomen appears to be cancerous but is actually non-cancerous. It was first identified in 2003 and typically develops in the mesentery, which is a tissue that supports the intestines but can also affect the colon or small bowel. RNFP is made up of spindle-shaped cells within fibrous tissue, and it often looks like cotton or linear shadows on medical scans. The exact cause is not fully understood, but it might be linked to conditions like endometriosis, the use of certain medications, or previous abdominal surgeries. Though only about 20 cases have been reported worldwide, this study describes the first known case of RNFP in India. The patient, a 20-year-old woman, had a large abdominal mass, and surgery is currently the most effective way to treat RNFP. Conclusion. This case illustrates the need for keeping RNFP in mind as a differential diagnosis in case of a large abdominal mass. The exact etiopathogenesis remains unclear, with various predisposing risk factors described. Krishna et al., 2019. In this case, we could not recognize any of these risk factors, implying the possibility of other unidentified risk factors or that it is idiopathic. It is curable with surgical resection, with no known recurrence reported so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.